Excited to have you all here, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm just going to lower the music music here for a second. Give me one sec. Welcome, everyone. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to another morning live stream. Chica, welcome. Excited to have you all here, guys. We're going to wait for a couple more people to join in, guys, before we kind of dive in a little bit more deeper. And we kind of take a look at what opportunities we have. It's 8 in the morning. Another morning live stream, guys. Matcha tea as per usual. I don't know if you got the camera can catch it there. Got my matcha tea, guys. I'm excited for another day. Just did our morning prayer, just giving thanks to God. Just, you know, it's not about doing it as a more, you know, ritual thing or whatever, but it's more of like doing it from the heart, guys. You know what I mean? Seeking him with all your heart is the most important thing. I'm going to share on our Telegram community, and we're just going to let them know that we are live, okay? But if you guys have any questions as we have more and more people join in, we're going to kind of go ahead and wait for a couple more people to join us, and then we're going to get started, okay? Just going to share the link here on our free Telegram group, and then we should be good to go. How are you guys doing? We got Chica. I'm fine, thanks. Awesome. I'm doing well. Thank you. Thank you for asking. Yes. You got it, Chica. We have to just, you know, be thankful every day. Give him praise. You know, have our matcha tea. Just kind of just relax, you know. Approach the markets nice and peacefully, you know. We got my man Mason in the house. Mason, welcome. All right, guys. So we're gonna dive in. Let's start with looking at gold. Gold. This was a beautiful win here on VAP on gold. And before we begin, guys, let's give it a thumbs up, guys. If you enjoy the live streams, give it a thumbs up. It does, you know, support the channel as always. I'm going to just update something here in the charts just to make sure that we're good. Give me 2 seconds here, guys. That year, that's the year, like. Oh yeah. We can give it one try, see how it goes, because By now it's probably progressed, right? You don't know.
It was yesterday.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right, guys. Beautiful. Let's get started. Let's dive in. Welcome, everyone. As you guys could see, we had this beautiful win in VIP, 152 pips, which ended up dropping, which is crazy. I wasn't anticipating this push to the downside, just because we were at this major level of structure, and I was like, you know what? If the market does close below this level of structure, there's a higher probability it's probably going to tank, and hence that's why we saw that beautiful drop to the downside. Now, I want to start fresh and kind of just start on a new chart here and see what we're potentially looking at for the markets and kind of where we're at. So let's just start here on the 4 hour. Actually, let's start off on the daily, or actually let's do the weekly, just to kind of understand. Obviously on the weekly, you know, we are bullish. We've created the new highs, all that stuff, whatever you want to call it. I don't know why that's there. And it's very clear and evident that, you know, this is a weekly level here. Now, I don't really focus so much on the weekly areas because that's not really relevant to me. However, I just wanted to mark it off and start fresh on the weekly there. The weekly definitely will go in confluence here with the daily. This is kind of a nice area of structure here that I'm definitely going to keep my eyes on. And again, we can kind of mark it off if you will. If you want to, you could just put like, you know, weekly and daily zone here. And then what we're gonna do is let's go to the 4 hour. Actually, you know what? Let's zoom into the daily and see if there's any zones here that we should mark off, which I don't think there is. Yeah, not really. Let's go down to the 4 hour. The 4 hour definitely does have some zones now that we can kind of mark off. And like I said, one of the main areas of structure that I see here so far is this zone here. I also see another zone around here. However, I don't really want to focus so much up there because at this point, the market is too far away from it. So this is kind of my main zones that I care about. And that's all I really want to focus on, to be honest. It's a quiet morning today, guys. What's going on? How are you guys doing? We're usually pretty, like, you know, we got about 30, 40 members here, but it's a really quiet morning today. All right, so let's see here. Let's take a look at, so again, we've got those zones marked off here. Cool. Let's just make sure that's it. Yeah, that's all that really matters for me. Let's look at the 1 hour and see if there's any 1 hour zones that are kind of important or, you know, I'll be looking at here. All right, so we do have this 1 hour zone where market's literally just retesting it right now. We got my man Ross. Let's go, Ross. Back from Cuba, sunburnt. Nice, my man. Nice. Yeah, we went to Cuba back in September. It's nice. The beaches are really nice there. It's definitely nice getting some good sunlight because it's still snowing here in Canada, or at least in this part of Canada. It's still snowing, which is crazy. I mean, we're going into what, like mid-March? So, I mean, it is to be expected, but by now we're going into spring now, so we should finally start seeing some more warmer days, right? So, but we'll see. We'll see if that's still going to be a probability. We shall see, guys. Chica, feels like Monday. Yeah. So yeah, so these are kind of the zones that I have marked off. Like, to be honest, chat, ideally I want to see gold come up to these highs here. I mean, we could sell off from here. This is a 1 hour area structure. There is a, I believe, like a 15-minute, 30-minute order block here. And we did get a nice rejection, but we got 30 seconds for this candle to close, most likely. That's why it's important to understand kind of like all these zones, see how this could be mitigated, right? So right now it's not mitigated, but right now the market could potentially mitigate this if this closes bullish. If this closes bullish, and at this point it's done for me, and there's a higher probability that gold may continue to go higher, and we may see something like this tap into this zone, and then we could see a nice push down. So again, looking at potential short opportunities again here for gold. Like I said, we had that beautiful win with our VIP students last night. But yeah, like, you know, these are kind of things that we got to keep in mind, right? And again, that would give us a nice potential re-entry here back up into this 4 hour zone. And again, right, I'm not saying just based off of the 4 hour zone, you know, that's going to be our sweet spot, but I'm just kind of adding all the pieces together here. So look, that 15-minute closed above. So at this point, it might retest back down, but now that order block that I really had, you know, a potential outlook to sell is now no longer valid in my eyes. So it's probably just going to retrace a little bit here and then continue to push up. Yeah, 1 second here, chat. All right, let me know in the chat if you guys understood that explanation, guys. Also give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed these live streams. You guys want me to continue to create these live streams, guys, right? But yeah, did you guys understand what I'm looking at here for gold? Let me know in the chat. Okay, so we're just gonna leave this here for now. Like I said, at this point, even small, like on the smaller time frame here, it's still creating these higher highs and higher lows. So to me, to short it, I don't feel personally comfortable to short it anyways. I do like how the 1 hour is giving us a nice rejection from this zone, so it is something to keep in mind. However, at this point, like I said, for me, for all we know, it could just continue to go higher, and I would rather sell it at a premium price, you know, into this order block up here. Okay. Okay, let's continue here, chat. Let's continue. Let's go. Okay, so next we're gonna focus on. We'll come back here. US 30 we'll take a look after, and Nasdaq we'll take a look after. After 9:30, right? We don't want to be looking at that before. Rudra, Euro GPY, sure. We can take a look at that. All right, so let's take a look at Euro GPY and see what we're looking at here. So let's start off with the daily here. Overall, in the daily time frame, we are quite bullish. We are reaching a level that we do have to be mindful of. That is a daily resistance area. Yeah, it's a daily resistance area, so we just got to be kind of mindful of that zone. We got that area structure there. If we go down to the 4 hour, we're definitely bullish on the 4 hour. I do like that 4 hour rejection there from that highs. That is nice. I would say a zone that kind of looks significant to me that we got to keep our eyes on is kind of like this area of structure. Maybe kind of like around there. That's kind of a zone here that we have to kind of be mindful of. And that's it. I don't want to mark anything further because it just wouldn't make sense. Price is so far away from it anyways. If we go down to the 1 hour here, you know, we can see that price is literally at a 1 hour zone around here. You can see that it is rejecting this 1 hour resistance here. You know, and kind of like another zone that we could see here on the 1 hour would be around this zone here. And the next kind of 1 hour zone I'd keep my eyes on is around here. That's it. Let's go down to the 15. Let's see if there's anything here that, you know, catches my interest with price here on your GPY. So like I said, everything is technically still bullish. The 4 hours bullish, the daily's bullish. I feel like we could still go a little bit higher. You know, even the 1 hour right now, the 1 hour is still technically bullish as well. I do believe that we could see a nice push up. Right now, just looking at it right here, I like to see how this candle closes. We got 4 minutes left here on the 5 minute. See if we can get a nice retracement, so close above or something like this, and then get a nice retest to push up. So we'll be looking at potential buys here for Euro JPY. It should be, yeah, but put the block so we know, yeah. Yeah. Like I could upload them all, and because it's all labeled anyways, but it doesn't matter. I just deleted the old ones and left the 2 for today. Whatever is easier. All right, guys. So like I said, I would do like a nice tight stop loss, so do like a 10 pip stop loss. You know, target a 1 to 1, then 1 to 2, even 1 to 3 possibly, you know, kind of going like creating a wick high. That's what I'm seeing, to be honest. Do you see the impulse? How from when I told you, I think it's going to impulse, possibly even close above these highs here, give us a nice break, and then just wait for the market to pull back. And then once we see some sort of a reaction around this area here, you know, even like if we go up on the 15, I believe this is a 15-minute order block around here, wait for it to come down, tap into it, retest, and we could see a continuation up. So something to keep in mind. This is what I'm looking at for Euro JPY. Let me know in the chat if you guys understood that explanation there. Good. Give it a thumbs up, guys, if you enjoy these live streams so far. Let's take a look at GJ as well. Let's see what's going on with GJ here. Let me just kind of clear everything off. Let's go up here on the daily. So if we look at the daily time frame here for GJ, what are we looking at? So we are coming close to a daily zone, which we just got to be aware of. It doesn't really mean that it's going to react to it. It could break it at any moment, but at least just being aware of it just gives us an idea as to, you know, kind of what we could potentially anticipate for the market, right? Like, that's all. It doesn't really mean that, you know, market's going to react at that exact zone or whatever, right? So next, what we want to focus on is on the daily time frame. We are still technically bullish. Okay, we had some liquidity tap in here into the zone. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour is obviously bullish, but it is coming up into this area. So on GJ here, I may be looking at potential shorting opportunities. I just want to wait and see, because we are bullish on the 4 hour, we are bullish on the daily. So, you know, in my eyes, I'm still technically looking for buys. So we just got to be very, and I mean very, very mindful of that. So yeah, so I would say here, this is the daily zone here. Let's see the next zone that interests me here. That could be potentially deadly here. And I mean, we could go further, but I'm not going to mark off too much here, just because it's not relevant to me. So I do like we got a nice push to the upside. What I'd say is wait for the market to give us a nice retracement, tap even into this order block here, and then we could see a continuation up. If that is the case, we could be looking at good buys here at this 15-minute order block. It's not that much pips, but still could be a nice massive buy continuation move. Doing like a 15 pip stop here, targeting around this zone. We're at this major area structure. I could see buy positions here, chat, on GJ. Yeah, just gotta wait. That's awesome, Chad. Happy to hear that, bro. We also shorted gold too in VIP, so my VIP students also caught this move. We got in here. Our entry was at this high. To be honest, though, we weren't like, we had runners and stuff, but my main target was this low right here. It's kind of like my main target down here. But I ended up going over 152 pips. Our entry was way up here. Our entry is at 2162. That was our entry. If you go on my Instagram, you guys will see I shared this actually live on my Instagram before it actually did that massive move. By the way, guys, welcome to everyone that's just joining us for the first time. If you are here for the first time, welcome to the family. Give a thumbs up, guys. Also, make sure that you guys are following me on my Instagram at this is pedrofx. My Instagram username is at the top of the live stream. Trust me, guys, I want to connect with you guys. Trust me, you don't want to miss out, because that's where I share everything, guys. Like literally giveaways. If I'm sharing anything, it's going to be through my Instagram, my personal Instagram. So if you don't want to miss out on anything, make sure you're following me through there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm very active on there, to be honest. We got my man Casperio. Hey Pedro, do you think gold could tap into the 2160? I'm long from 2153. To be honest, bro, I was really looking at shorts like already. And it's funny enough, I was actually looking at shorting it from here. I didn't take it. Just because ideally I like to see the market come higher up on a premium. I don't like shorting it kind of at the 50% zone-ish, if you will. So I do believe it could come back up. That's why I didn't take anything. I could have, man. I was so close to taking the short here, and that's like a quick 45 pips. Kind of cheeses me when I miss opportunities that are so simple and that I'm looking at it, but it is what it is. I didn't take it because I have a good reasoning behind it at this point. So yeah, I mean, at this point, what I would say is let's see what the market does for 8:30. We've got 2 minutes left for market open here. We could see the market give us this push that it gave us here, only to come up, maybe even push up higher at a premium, and then give us a nice push down. So just kind of be mindful that I am still anticipating gold to maybe come up at a higher premium before we see a continuation to the downside. So yeah, I do think it could come up. But be prepared that the market could push down like this, close like this, 830 kicks in, gives us a retracement. And if we see rejection from this area, this is where I may be shorting it instead of here, right? Ideally, I want here, right? Because we're selling it at a premium. You know what I mean? It's not at a discount. But we're going to have to wait and see what happens, right? I want to see how the market reacts. I hope that helps. Hopes that gives you some clarity there. Let me know in the chat if you guys understood that explanation there on gold. These are both wins from our VIP. So yesterday, these are the 2 wins that we took on our VIP, guys, which was amazing. On gold, mainly we trade gold in US 30 and NASDAQ as well, and sometimes S&P. But we've really shifted more on gold and like indices. All right, seems like we got some news. I believe it was CAD news or something. Let's take a look at what we've got in schedule here for today. Yeah, so it seems like we got some CAD news, CPI. All right, so that's been pushed there. Okay. We have some USD news, I believe. Building permits, but nothing major. Okay, yeah. So let's see if we get a nice retracement here. That should be a nice indication that we could see a rejection from these highs. But again, if we missed out on that one, then it is what it is at that point. All right, what other? Let me know if you guys are looking at any specific pairs, guys. Any other pairs that you're looking at? Yeah, the only reason why I'm not too confident on this buy, I mean, it could just be something quick, like 30 pips or so. The only thing is just because we're at these highs, right? So we can definitely anticipate some sort of retracement in the market. The market needs to most likely give us a pullback. So something to keep in mind as well, right? Yeah. Let me know in the chat what pairs you guys are looking at specifically, guys. Let's see what you guys are looking at together. USD is looking pretty solid here. Potential sells here. That spirit, yeah, bro. Like that gold buys, I would have. It's risky. That's a risky one, bro. That's a risky one. I'm not gonna lie to you. I definitely feel you, my man. I definitely feel you. That's a little bit of a. That's quite the risk, but to each their own, right? I want to see how this 4-hour closes, chat. This 4-hour respects this zone, then USD is gonna look for nice shorts. We're gonna have to wait though. Just gonna have to wait patiently. Yeah, my man. That's the thing. Gold. That's the thing. Gold, you got to be careful. Gold is a double-edged sword. You know what I mean? So I'm waiting for this 1 hour and 4-hour closure. We got 22 minutes left. Depending on how this closes, then maybe looking at some decent shorts. But I'm in no rush, guys. Right? We just got to wait patiently. Wait patiently for the right opportunities, right? If the market doesn't do what it has to do, it is what it is. That's what I'm saying here, right? There's two scenarios here. Scenario one here where it pulls up and maybe rejects this area structure here, okay? Or scenario two where it pulls up a little bit further up to these highs up here, which is kind of the ideal zone. This is what we ideally want. But we're going to have to wait and see what the market does. Casperio, yeah, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like GJ buys is super tempting, but the fact that it's at that daily zone, to me, that's why I'm kind of like, I'm hesitant, you know. To be honest, thanks for reminding me, because I'm probably gonna delete this because I don't like that it's at that zone. Like I was explaining and doing the breakdown. That's the only reason why I'm not kind of like, oh, like, you know, because this daily zone here that I marked off is important. And if anything, if you guys were to look to buy in GJ, I would say wait for it to tap in here. If we were to get a reaction from this order block, then maybe we could see it tap back up. But even at that point, it's a little bit more of a higher risk setup, which I'm not interested in, to be honest, because I just want to focus on gold, which is kind of what I mainly focus on anyways. So yeah, look at this. Gold's like literally pushing up, like I told you guys, right at this point. However, it might reject from this area, or it might reject at these highs up here. And ideally, I want it to reject at these highs up here. This is my ideal zone where I want to be selling, right here. Okay. FM trader, sure, my man. I'll take a look at oil. I don't trade oil as I used to. But yeah, we could take a look at it here. Let's start off, clear the charts. So yeah, I mean, we've got this kind of like daily zone right now where it's currently at. Go to the 4 hour. We are quite bullish. However, you know, we're coming to this zone that it is quite significant, and a zone that we should have in mind. Yeah. Again, similar thing here with oil here at this point. I just want to see if we get a break of these lows here. If we were to get a break of these lows, we're getting a nice rejection from the highs. That's what I like. So we're getting a nice rejection here. Market rejected it once. Now it's rejecting it twice. If we get a nice break of these lows here, I'd like to see some nice short positions here for oil. That's what I'm seeing overall. Casper, no, not really, bro. I don't really trade GU or EU, to be honest. Yeah, I've heard of that. I've actually heard that. I've heard also like GJ, for example, isn't as respectful in certain areas and stuff. But I have heard that Euro USD. That's why I guess a lot of people do trade Euro USD and GU, for that very reason, right? Yeah, but I don't know. Like I used to trade GU a lot when I first started, but I don't know. I haven't really looked back into it, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, gold's a different animal, that's for sure. Gold's definitely a different animal. Okay, there we go. There we go. What do we got here, guys? We got a break above on the highs here. See? This is why, yes, it's important. That could have been a nice quick scalp here, which I was looking at potential shorts here, but I knew there's a higher probability it's probably going to come up, which is fine. The thing is, let's see. Yeah. No, I do like how the 1 hour is looking overall. Yeah. I just feel so much more comfortable selling it at that premium there, to be honest. So I'm going to patiently wait, chat. Patiently wait. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we get a closure above. and then we should be good to go. Yeah, no, mainly I trade gold. Like last year I used to trade like everything, like whatever I saw I took. But this year my focus has been, I'm focusing just on gold and like indices, right? So like US 30, NASDAQ, S&P 5, gold, right? GJ, like sometimes if I see something, I'll share it with other people, like, or kind of share my thoughts, but that's basically it. We got Chad. Gold took me out. Made very small profits off of that. You know what, bro? It's all good. At least you preserved capital and you made something. I was gonna say, guys. Literally, if we should see the market. Let's see if it comes up here, guys. I'm definitely looking for a good short on gold. I just wanted to come up to that premium. Oh yeah, man, that happens. Look back and then you get like the instant regret. It's like me last night too. Like I should have held the gold sells, right? Like I literally told my VIP students to enter here, and I think I took profits like kind of like right when we broke below here, and I ended up going further. Updated them around. I guess I think it was like around here or around here, and then London came in, retested this zone, and just completely melted. If I would have held something, even just like runners for a long time, longer, like overnight, I'd be laughing right now. But it is what it is, right? You can't focus on trying to catch everything, you know? Chat, we've got about 20 members here live with us, guys. If you're new to the family, welcome. Come say hi in the chat. Also, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. We're at 20 members here live. Let's get it to 20 likes. Let's go, team. Casperio, both. And usually the live one is basically Blueberry Markets. Yeah, Blueberry Markets is the broker that I use for my personal account. We got Yadesh. Hey, will you be at the FX Summit this year? Yes, God willing, we'll be there in Dubai. That's actually around my birthday too, so it'll be like my birthday present, birthday gift to be there, sharing with you guys and connecting with everyone else. All right, who's going to the FX Summit this year? Actually, I'm actually curious. Guys have any questions, guys? Any questions for me? All right, I really like that closure there. Okay. Let's see here. I'd probably look to short GJ, guys, around here. That'd kind of be my 15 pip type of stop and target like the lows here. That'd be like a nice 1 to 2 right there. This is a good potential setup right there for GJ shorts. Chat, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back, all right? Just give me 1 sec here. We got my man, Casperio. If you ever come to Australia, let me know, bro. I'm in Sydney. That's amazing, bro. Thanks for letting me know. Appreciate the offer there. Guys, I gotta upload something and I'll be right back just because we're putting a lot of content for you guys and getting some stuff, working some stuff on the back end. But I don't want to be doing that while, you know what I mean, you guys are here waiting. So I'll just leave the charts here. But yeah. I'm gonna come back and then we'll kind of look what other opportunities we can catch, because even after 9:30 I'm looking at US 30 and stuff like that. So yeah, all right guys, I'll be back.